guys, another day here at Home Depot. And look at here. I got some blueberry trees over here. I got 2 at home, but I wanted 4 on the property. So let's see. I might get 2 more. All right, so I snagged 2 of them. I put them up by the register because I'm not gonna have enough room to carry all this. So, but yeah. All right, so the real reason I am here, guys, is to get the bam. 5 for 20. Ain't getting no better than that. So I'm going to get a few bags. So I'm gonna rack up, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get about 20 bags. I don't know, maybe I should get 30. Just don't know how much weight this is in my truck. And on top of that, taking all this to the property, but okay, maybe I should get it now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and snag these right here, and then let me see, when does the sale end? Sale ends on the 23rd, so I might have enough time to go to the property and go to that Home Depot that's close to the property over there and pick up some more. So all right, but here it is, guys. This is a good deal. It's a good deal. I need all this right here because whenever I put new trees in the ground, or when I'm putting plants in the ground, I have to mix this with the native soil. So if you guys need some soil right now, come to Home Depot and get it while supplies last. All right, guys, so I'm over here at this other nursery close to my house, and I was actually looking for this palm right here, this palm tree right here. It's called the Areca palm, and they have them here. These are 7 gallons. These are like $35. I have one of these that I put in front of my house like 6 years ago, and it's pretty big now. It's like huge, but I think these would be really good to put around the shade house. So I'm thinking I might pick up maybe 4 or 5 of these and put these in the ground over there at the shade house. So these would be really good, and they're nice too when they get big. They're pretty. So all right, let me think about it. All right, so I came over here to Lowe's, and I found me 2 ice cream trees, banana trees. The ice cream, they have like blue bananas. So I got 2 of those I found. And I also found me, guys, they have raspberry. And these are called, what's the name of these things? I think they're called, okay, they're called Glencoe raspberry. And I got 3 of those. And then they also have the blackberries, and these are called Osage. And these grow straight up, guys. It's supposed to be like bush. Both of these are like bush varieties. The raspberry ones, they say you can keep those in a pot. So I'm not sure if I want to put those in, leave them in a pot when I get to Pokeland, or if I want to put them in the ground. I'm not sure. I'll do some more research on it, but these blackberries would definitely go in the ground. So, all right, guys. So today is the 23rd, and I'm back over here. Today is the last day for this sale over here at Home Depot, and I'm buying me 25 more bags. I got 20 at home and 25 more. So go stuff this in my truck real quick, and be taking some of this to Pokeland this week. All right, guys, I'm over here at the land, and I'm by myself today. The wife had to take the kids to the dentist today. All 3 of them got dentist appointments, so I'm over here by myself. Got a lot of work to do today. Got a truck full of stuff that I got to take out, and a lot of digging to do today. But let me go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so this is what I have to do today. Man, I got 8 aloe plants right there. I got, man, 15 bags of all-purpose dirt, some garden soil. Still got 30 more bags at home. That's only 15 bags. I got this Areca palm tree I bought. I got 4 more at home. I got my shovel. I I got 6 banana trees in there, which are the blue javas. I got 3 blueberry plants. I got 3 blackberry plants, and I got 3 raspberry plants. So, and I got plenty of a whole bunch of water in there. So let me go ahead and start getting this stuff out and getting started. All right, guys, so I got everything placed where I needed to place that. I got the bananas right there. There's one of the bananas right there. Just that's one of the spots that I need to fill back in. The banana died. So you can see all these bananas right here doing pretty good. There's a lot of new growth in there. So I'll put that one in there. And again, that's a good job. More banana, more banana. I got one more banana right there. That's a good job. Then over here you can see I have everything placed over here, and these are all berries. I have blueberries right here. I'm gonna buy 2 more though. I want 5 blueberries altogether. Then I got 3 blackberries right here. I want 2 more, and then I have 3 raspberries right here, and I want maybe 2-3 more. And then on the last row over here, I'm gonna start with some strawberries right here on this row. And then I'm going to actually cage this in with the, I seen something, I put it on the screen right here so you guys can see it, but I'm gonna do something like that to keep the birds out, because even at home, I have a problem with the birds coming and trying to get my berries off the tree. And over here, you'll be able to see where I'm putting the other 4 banana trees. Go up here in the very front of the property up here to provide some privacy as well. So these are full size. These are blue javas. So they're gonna get like 18 to 20 feet. And I got 4 of them right here. So once they multiply, then we'll be looking good. And like I said, guys, all these banana trees all together, how many we have out here, we should have a total of, when they start maturing, we should have about 360 banana trees. It's a lot, but it'll be like bananas. All right, so you can see in here, I still have the collusion in here. I have this aloe that I will be taking out of here today, and I'm actually going to be planting it on the back there and creating something like it goes with. And as they grow babies, I'll take the babies out and give them away if I can. Like I said, I brought these babies right here too. Put the soil over here, got more soil over here. Now I'm about to start digging, and here is my Areca palm tree. Like I said, I got 4 of these, 4 more at home. And I'll be putting these around the shade house. And you can see the plants, guys. The plants look pretty good. The ones we put in last week. Got flowers on them already. Looking pretty good. So I'm going to give them a good watering in like 5 minutes. And I'll start digging all these holes. These over here on this side were actually a little bit smaller, but they're still doing okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start digging these plants over here. I'm going to start off with these bananas over here in the front first. Alright, guys, I dug these holes, and when I tell you they took a minute, it took a minute. I'm gonna have to be like Brian from Homestead Homies. He has an auger. If you guys haven't watched his channel, he's Time to Tiny, and him and his wife, they doing their thing out there in Texas, and they use an auger to dig their holes. So that's what I need to do. I've been working hard my whole life. I don't got nothing else to prove. I don't need to be out here digging these holes. I'm done. I'm gonna buy me an auger next week, because I got a lot more these plants that go all the way around this property, and that's a lot of holes that I have to dig. I'm getting too old for this. So, because like I said, this clay is hard. It took me a minute to dig through this. So I'm gonna be like Brian and them. I'm gonna get me an auger, and I'm gonna dig through this pretty quick. So, all right, so I do have, I mean, it got a lot easier to dig once you get off the top part, like maybe the top 2-3 inches. And then once you get down, and then it gets a little bit softer. I mean, it could be like that too, because the people that cleared the land packed it, you know, they kind of packed it down once they cleared it. So that's why it could be another reason why it's kind of hard. It's been like 4 months. So, but yeah. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put these bananas in there. These blue java bananas. I'm gonna mix it with this all-purpose garden soil right here, and put them in the ground. right, guys, I went ahead and put those in the ground, and it is hot. It is hot, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put some I need to put some mulch around it. I dug like a little trench to keep the water in once I water it. My neighbor was so kind, he came over here and he was talking to me. He has a whole lot of fruit trees over there, and told me I can come down there and get some water for my plants if I run out. So that was cool of him. I appreciate that. All right, so let me show you to you. So here they go right here. Here's the 4 I just put in, and I'm about to put some mulch around it first, and then I'll go ahead and water them. That's the other one. Second one. Third one right there. And then the last one right here. So that's 4. Like I said, these get bigger than the dwarfs, the ones I have in the back. These would be tall, like almost 20 feet tall. And these bananas are actually blue, and then they turn yellow. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and mulch them, and then I'll water them. All right, so I just watered it. Everything looks good, and I put the mulch down. So there it is. There it is, guys. That's the mulching. Gave them a pretty good amount of water today. So now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this. I gotta take those little tags off for the ice cream, because they said that these bananas taste like ice cream. So we're gonna find out. I like ice cream, and so does my wife. But anyway, we're gonna go over here and well, I'm gonna go over here and start digging another hole behind the shade house. Next week when we come back, my wife is gonna come back, and she's gonna finish, her and my mother-in-law, they're gonna finish painting the shade house, and I'll be putting some more of these Areca palm trees in the ground. This one right here, I'm going to actually put in the back of the shade house. This is where the sun comes up, guys. This is the east. So I want one over here, maybe like right here on the ground where this pallet is right here. I want to put one right here, because that tree, if you can see it, is actually like, it's one tree, but it's actually like 7 or 8 palm trees in that one. That's how it grows. We have one in front of our home at home in West Palm. We have one, and it's pretty big. I mean, it gets pretty wide. It can be like probably like 5 or 6 feet wide. So if I put one right here, it'll give us some more shade right here. And then I'm gonna put one more right about here on this side of the shade house. I'm gonna put one right here. Then I'm gonna put one right here in the front right there on the corner, and then one on the other side of the corner. I don't want to put one dead in the middle of these 2 sides right here, because then we won't be able to see the garden beds over there, and then you won't be able to see all those stuff that's over here once we start growing this. So all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start digging this hole over here and get it going. All right, guys, we're taking a break. It is hot. I was able to get that in the ground. I dug it. It took a minute to get it in there, but I got it in there now. So now I'm gonna chill for a minute, sit down, eat my sandwich my wife made, and man, it's hot out here. But I'm not gonna get to the aloe plants today. I was going to put these aloe plants in the ground today. I had a real nice design that I'll show you guys here on the screen up here on the top. And I was gonna plant all these today, and I was gonna plant these in there as well. I still have some more at home, but I'm gonna try to give those away. But I was gonna make a little nice design over there behind the let me show you guys the tree first. So this is the one I just put in the ground. This is the Areca. These are like $35 each. Like I said, I'm gonna put this one here, and they grow pretty fast. So when this one grows, it's gonna give me a lot of shade on this side of the shade house. And I'm about to water it now. And then, like I said, next week when I come back, I'll put the other 4 in. This one took me a minute to dig because the pot's pretty big. So, and the reason I said I'm gonna chill and wait on doing this, these aloe plants, is because I was gonna put them right here. I was gonna put a nice little design right here. First of all, we'll have the collusion plants going up against this wall, but the collusion plants won't be tall enough to block all the sun, because this is where the sun is actually coming through right here. And like now it's coming midday, so now it's a little bit on the left side right here. So, but in the morning time, it will get some shade with this Areca tree right here. It's too hot, so what I was gonna do is when I'm ready to use the tiller then I'll bring the tiller over here and chop this up, chop this this dirt up, this clay right here, because it's tough. I mean, trying to battle with this clay with this shovel, it's hard work. So all right, so I'm gonna go on down here, guys. First I'm gonna water this Areca palm, and then I'm going to head down there. And you can see I already have those plants already lined up down there while I'm getting ready to put those in the ground. So I'm gonna go dig these up before I can leave today. All right, so I'm gonna head on down here, and well, I'm gonna drive on down there because I put everything in there. I'm not gonna carry it all, and then I gotta clean up all this mess over here that I got in here. So I'll take 2 bags down there with me of the dirt, and then I'll go ahead and get started. And I'm about to put my 2-pot back on, and I'm about to bang on out, and then I'll show you guys update once I get done. All right, I'm finished. I'm tired. All right, so here we go. I still got a lot of water left over too. So right here, guys, we have all blueberries right here in a row. Then we have blackberries, and then we have raspberries right here. And then, like I said, this last row over here will probably be a whole bunch of strawberries over here. And then, like I said, up here in the right hand corner right here, I will put what I want to build. And like I said, I need at least, I wanted 8 more of these plants each, 5 more of each one of these, but that's a bit too much. So I think 2 more would be good. So if I got 5 blueberries, 5 blackberries, 5 raspberries, that should be enough. So, and we'll see. And then, like I said, I want to make this thing of this that I just showed you, the canopy. So all right, so I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna water the calusia plants, and then I'm going to get out of here. I didn't get a chance to put the other 2 banana trees in the ground because it's hot. It is blazing. So I'm done. I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go over here and water these calusia plants, and then I'm gonna head out. So all right, guys, I went ahead and I finished watering all the calusia plants with all the water that I had left. It was a great day. It was really hot out here today. I need to go by the store so I can get me a slushie or something on the way home, because it's blazing. So it might give me a hot dog too, maybe a coney dog, and maybe some ice cream later on too. Who knows? All right, so guys, I'll be back next week, and I'll finish putting in some more plants that I need to put in. And but other than that, like I said, it was a great day. I was able to put in all the trees that I brought over here with me today, except for these 2 banana trees. I just don't have it in me today to finish it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. You guys stay safe out there, and if you guys have not liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe, guys, please. And I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys have a great weekend. Later.